Goyo at nandito tayo sa Strongville Fitness Center located at 2nd floor, Ongbil Complex, Masin Sur, Candelaria, Quezon. And for today's video, mag-interview tayo ng mga certified Strongville members. So yun guys, let's go!
My name is Mira. I'm 24 years old and my profession is I do a lot of stuff. I did freelance coaching last year and I also right now I'm focusing with freelance fashion designing and the branding, focusing on my business.
Hi, I'm Ramson and I'm 30 years old. I am a corporate sales manager.
I'm Charisma Pabon, 46 years old, and I'm a business owner.
I'm Dr. Maria Nieva Makasait Rasimo, dermatologist and satellite advisor.
I'm Donnie Pineda. I'm 27 years old and I'm an HR.
Hi, I'm Vince Marilabel Capire. I'm 27 years old and I'm an architect by profession.
Hi everyone, I'm JR Bartolome, a lawyer and I'm 34 years old.
Do you have a personal coach?
Last year on my first competition back in 2023, Natural Bodybuilding Australia, I did my coach for the bikini athlete posing and also with the prep and meal coaching.
Yes, I have a personal coach.
Right now, I have.
Yes, my personal coach is Coach Seth. Been my coach for at least 1 year now.
Yes po, I have. My coach, Christian Briones po.
Yes, I have. Here in Strongville, si Coach Seth or Coach Christian.
Yes, right now I have a personal coach, si Coach Sed or si Coach Christian.
What are the factors you consider on choosing your personal coach?
The factors that I consider on choosing my personal coach is first, the one that fuels my mind, second, that fuels my body, and lastly is to boost my confidence in all ways.
As a beginner, kailangan ko talaga na merong nag-guide sa akin ng tamang workout and customized na naayon sa goals.
Definitely credentials, coach experience, and the outcome of all the clients that he did.
Coach Seth is the first person actually I met here. Very friendly. I got along with him well. So I chose him to be my coach.
Kaya kami kumuha ng personal coach para mas mabilis yung progress ng pagbayad namin. Kasi we have a wedding next year para mas makalose kami ng weight and fit sa susuotin namin.
Ang factor na kinoconsider ko is unang tingin pa lang siguro makakasubo at saka yung alam kong kaya maging flexible sa kung ano yung kailangan talaga ng katawan ko para ma-improve ko yung physical features ko.
So of course, ang factor ko when I have a personal coach is of course with the word personal. So dapat magkaroon kami ng relationship, hindi lang client to coach, kundi kumbaga parang may friendship din kami and meron kami commonality into having one goal, which is of course to improve sa aking fitness.
Since how long you've been started your coaching program?
Actually, 1 month lang ako nagpa-coach and then through time, I learned how to do it by myself. I learned by the books. I watched different videos from YouTube.
I started last month, so basically 2 months na ako ngayon.
Momentarily, it's 4 months now.
In 1 year now.
We started 2 months ago po.
Since last year, July, actually 1 year na.
To be honest, I've had my personal coaches before when I was still in Manila sa Anytime. Pero dito sa Strongville, I'm being coached by Coach Seth for starting this January.
Is there any improvements na nakita mo since you started coaching?
Yes, there are a lot of improvements, especially with the confidence.
Yes, marami. Unang-una sa katawan ko, napansin ko na parang tumangkad akong tingnan. And also when it comes to my upper body, naging mas going to pagiging firm. And also, hindi ako masyadong antukin compared dati.
Based from the 4 months that I started it, I lost 20 pounds and I feel lighter, better about myself.
Oo naman, definitely. Stronger yung muscles ko and yung posture ko nag-improve.
Yes, feeling ko naman, parang mas lumakas yung stamina ko and then yung sa legs ko kasi dati medyo mahina, ngayon medyo kaya-kaya ko na.
Yes, malaki yung natutulong nung nag-hire kami ng coach kasi everything is on track. Nakaplano talaga kung ano yung gagawin namin from day-to-day basis. Na-improve namin yung katawan namin.
Nako, super laking progress yan. Maliban sa I've lost a considerable amount of weight and nag-improve yung muscle structure ko, ang dami ko rin mas mabigat na nagagawa ngayon na hindi ko nagagawa dati.
Can you share what are the differences between having a coach and just being on your own?
Without a coach, sometimes you lose track of your progress. Sometimes you get the problem with your form. If you have a coach, they help you to track your progress, and number one is to help you perfect your form with the workouts.
Having a coach is win-win for me kasi it teaches me how to have a customized workout na naayon sa goals ko, and yung maganda is tama yung mga forms and natatarget talaga yung mga muscles na kailangang i-develop. With proper guidance, mas napapabilis yung progress pag merong coach. Unlike pag wala, mas mapapagastos ka kasi syempre, as a beginner at wala kang alam, parang you need to search with YouTube or sa mga online courses, and which is na pag mali din yung form na ginagagawa mo din sa workout, hindi din siya maganda in long term.
Before having it on my own, without having a coach, I don't have any direction, I don't have a structure, and I don't understand my body.
At my age, I'm afraid to do weightlifting or resistance training on my own. Baka magka-fracture ako. I decided that before going to resistance training, I should have a coach.
For sa dating gym, medyo nadadaya ko pa pag sarili ko lang yung kinukoach ko. Pero nung kumuha kami ng coach, mas focus kasi si Coach Christian. So, napupush kami na gawin talaga.
Malaking difference siguro kasi before I tried na mag-gym ng sarili lang kung ano yung mga na-observe ko at saka yung nakikita ko via internet. Pero iba kasi na nakakorek yung posture mo. Tsaka bukod doon, nakakatulong din mentally aside from physical kasi nakakausap ka and may nagmamotivate sa'yo.
Having a coach is of course slashing what you need to do sa gym. Kasi if you have a coach, you have someone to look after you, someone to moderate your program, and someone to remind you and discipline you that this is what you have to do if you want to see results, if you want to lose weight, if you want to live healthily. As opposed to not having a coach, syempre ikaw na mag-iisip kung paano mo pagagawin ng exercise mo, tama ba yung form mo, paano mo hahatakin sarili mo na kailangan ko mag-exercise. At the same time, isipin mo rin kung paano ba pag wala kang coach.
Mas motivated Bayakot to do workout pot may personal coach.
Yes, of course, I am more motivated if I have my personal coach because an extra push and extra pressure is always there.
Yes, kasi meron akong nakakausap as a beginner and mag-gym tayo. Pag wala kang kakilala dito, medyo awkward. Pero pag meron kang coach, at least meron kang nakakausap, and also mas natututunan mo. Nakakapagtanong ka kung ano yung mga tamang gawin. Pag hindi ka naman magpapa-coach, at least you have the ideas na na-share sa yung knowledge ng coach.
Definitely, it's like me having a map on my fitness goals and when to rest, when to eat, and when to train.
Oo naman. Kasi, syempre, yung habit, yung discipline, andon. My coach is very supportive. Yung kaya ko lang or yung alam niya yung limit ko.
Yes po, mas napupush talaga kami. Kahit minsan ayaw namin gawin, kailangan kasi nandyan si Coach.
Yes, malaking motivation siya. Especially sa gym, maraming tao. So, hindi mo alam kung tama ba yung ginagawa mo. Personally, conscious ako kung tama ba yung ginagawa ko, baka makita ng iba. So, malaking tulong na meron akong coach na nagko-correct sa akin, and alam ko na talaga na tama yung lahat ng ginagawa ko and effective siya.
Definitely, I'm more motivated to do my workout if I have a personal coach kasi meron akong demonyo na bubulong sa akin para mag-exercise.
Stay strong, stay fit.
Stay strong, stay fit.
Stay strong and stay fit.
Stay strong, stay fit.
Stay strong, stay fit.
Stay strong, stay fit.
Stay strong, stay fit.
What's up guys, I'm Coach Seth. I'm your personal trainer here at Strong Will Fitness Center. Stay strong, stay fit, and stay here.